Hey, John Niederman from ZESTRON. Today on You Ask, We Answer, we're going to talk about direct comparison of inline sensor versus static sensor. How NVR, conductivity, pH are all related to product reliability. Many cleaning processes are often monitored by a concentration monitoring system. These systems are monitoring the concentration of the cleaning medium and its effectiveness to generate a high reliable cleaning process. Monitoring that concentration is extremely important so that the output of the process is consistent and reliable. There's basically two methods of sensors available in the industry. One would be what we would call an inline sensor. Another would be considered a static sensor. Basically, the inline sensor is installed in your cleaning system as the fluid comes through the wash pump and out through your nozzle system. It's moving through this inline sensor, and that sensor real time is generating and calculating what the concentration of the cleaning agent is. The static sensor is typically an offline process. Its functionality is the same. It's actually measuring the concentration of the cleaning medium, but it's usually done at an off-site work table or bench setup. This static sensor allows you to measure concentration of cleaning media of multiple different formulations. While it is not real time, it does have that added benefit. The second part of this process monitoring would be NVR, conductivity, and pH. NVR is known as non-volatile residues. These inline and static sensors, however, do not measure the NVR. That takes another piece of analytical test equipment to do so. But essentially what the NVR is and why it should be of concern. Again, the high reliability process, not only is concentration important, but the NVR is as well. And the NVR is basically a buildup of solid content within that cleaning medium. And once that solid content or contamination rises to a certain threshold, you could end up with some process issues that could impact product reliability. So it's important that the NVR is often looked at, and you can develop basically a wash time or process time that correlates with the amount of NVR buildup over time. Conductivity is important as we're monitoring a known value of the cleaning medium. So we understand what the conductivity is of the water-based cleaning agent or solvent in its fresh state. As that product is being used to clean PCBs, flux residues, etc., there can be a rise or fall in conductivity based off the contamination that's coming into that cleaning medium. So as that conductivity rises or lowers, it could impact the reliability or the effectiveness of the cleaning medium. So it's important, along with NVR, to also monitor conductivity to ensure that the cleaning medium is still within its proper thresholds. pH, again, very similar to the other two, however, it is obviously a different function. So on the pH, depending on what type of cleaning medium you're using or solvent, you may have an acidic or an alkaline pH. So when we're looking at the pH, 7 would be neutral, and you can go above or below. So again, the cleaning medium at its fresh state is going to have a known pH value. As the contamination is absorbed or pulled into that cleaning medium, it could impact that pH. So another test that we recommend to ensure that your cleaning medium is efficient and effective is also pH. And all of those functions are related to product reliability. Stay tuned for the next You Ask, We Answer.